Another hack. Big shout out to Cameron, Deal Team 6. Yes, guys, this is a late night drop. This is a killer deal for the M12 Milwaukee. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, and run for this one because they will sell out. We've seen this throughout the week or the weekend. They do sell out as soon as you can buy them if you need it. All right, so this is the M12 fuel 12-volt lithium ion cordless hammer drill and impact driver combo kit with impact duty bit set. It says impact duty bit set. So chances are they're gonna send you the bit set, but here on the description they have the battery. So I don't know, they have a glitch on this one, and so yeah, this is probably a glitch. I don't know if you're gonna get the battery or not, but you are gonna get, or you can call customer service and try to get it. But if it says bit set, your chances are you're gonna get that bit set. But still a pretty good deal. You're getting it looks like a 4 amp hour or a 3, I can't see, and a smaller battery, charger, and a bag. It's $239. You're gonna go down here with the free gift with purchase. You're gonna select the battery, go to cart. All right, so the high output battery is gonna come down to $79.44. If you just want a high output battery at $79.44, this is the one for you. But all these tools and the batteries are $159.56. However, I don't know if you're gonna get that 5 amp hour battery on this kit. But it says impact driver. So I don't know, guys. Let me know down in the comment section, what do you guys think about this one. I'm just letting you guys know, still a great deal even if you don't get this battery because you're already getting it over here. So let us know in the comment section, what do you guys think. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.